This is Apolme Obreki, a Prof Ed student, and today I'm going to discuss you if how to write a research proposal step by step. Hello everyone. Welcome to this instructional video for your research proposal. First thing you'll have to do is choose an interesting topic and relevant subject. The title of your proposal should be concise and clear to clearly indicate your research question. Why does the research title matter? The research title is the first thing that editors and reviewers see when they look at your paper, and the only piece of information that fellow researchers will see in a database or search engine query. Good titles that are concise and contain all the relevant terms have been shown to increase citation counts and altmetric scores. Next is introduction. To effectively start a research introduction, begin by captivating the reader's interest with a compelling hook. Then provide relevant background information. Clearly state the research problem and objectives. And finally, outline the paper's structure. Third is theoretical framework. To write a theoretical framework, first define your key concepts and research problem. Second, conduct a literature review to identify and evaluate relevant theories. And three, show how these theories explain the relationships between your concepts to provide a foundation for your study. Number 4 is conceptual framework. A conceptual framework illustrates the expected relationship between your variables. It defines the relevant objectives for your research process and maps out how they come together to draw coherent conclusions. Next is a schematic diagram of the research study. To make a schematic diagram, start by identifying concepts or variables, then represent them visually with simple shapes like circles or squares. Next, use arrows to show the relationships and hypothesize directions of influence between these concepts. Finally, add brief labels to each element and a clear, descriptive title to your diagram. The next one is statement of the problem. How to write a problem statement in research. Step 1. Provide relevant background information to help readers understand the broader context of the problem. Second, clearly articulate the specific issue or challenge that your research aims to address. Be precise and focuses. 3. Explain why the identified problem is significant and warrants attention. Highlight the potential impact or consequences. 4. Identify any gaps in current knowledge or existing solutions related to the problem. This helps justify the need for your research. Next is hypothesis. A research hypothesis is a testable statement about the relationship between two or more variables. It proposes a possible explanation for a phenomenon that can be investigated through research. Next, significance of the study. To write a significance of the study, start by identifying the broad societal benefits and potential contributions to the field, and then gradually narrow down to specific groups or individuals who will benefit. Next is scope and limitation of the study. It clarifies what aspects of a topic will be investigated and what aspect will be excluded, providing focus and direction for the research. And the last one is definition of terms. Clarifies specific words or phrases used with unique or technical meanings within the study, ensuring clarity and consistency for the reader to effectively write the definition of terms. Identify key terms, provide clear and concise definitions, and contextualize them within your study. Thank you for being with me today, and I hope that you learn a lot from me. Thank you.